Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Vote Freely. So today we will use user input and we'll take uh, two inputs from the user. One is X and other is Y, and we will add, subtract, multiply and divide by using Python function. So let's see. Here we have already made our function by using user input. Here I define, this is just comments, and here we use first input from user, and we have used int and curly bracket, and inside this we have used input, which is used to take input from user, and this input is in the form of a string. So this when taken as input, we use int to convert this into integer. So in both the x and y input we have used this method, and here we define our function with the keyword def, and this is name of the function, and we use parameters x and y, which are user input, and we have returned the sum of the two user input, which is our result. And like that, here we have used function name subtract, and the result of subtract is returned here, and here we have used division and multiplication, and in the print section we use the string method and comma separated. The display of the function is given here. The add function, we call the add function here, and we call the subtract function here with the two user input, and here division function is called and multiplication function is called. So like this we have used four functions defined here, and after user input the two variable values of the variables are processed in these functions, and when we call the function so the output is printed here. So let's run this program. So our first input is 30, first input is 30, and our second input is 20. So you can see that the sum of the x, which is 30, and 20 is 50, and subtraction of 30 and 20, which is x and y, which is x minus y is 10. And if we see the division, so if we divide this 30 by 20, so it is in decimal, which is 1.5, and multiplication of 30 and 20 is 600. So like this, you can take any input and you can make any program by taking the user input. So I hope you learn user input functions, user input, and later use of that user input in the function and getting the result. So keep watching my channel, and if you like, you subscribe and comments in the comment section.